Hello everyone and welcome to the Tathastu ICS. This is Trija Garg, your economy faculty. Yesterday we learnt about what are mutual funds, and if you remember there is a category known as exchange traded funds. What is this? Exchange traded funds क्या होते हैं? ETF. What is this fund? तो यही आज हम समझने वाले हैं. Very important for UPSC prelims, very important for you to understand also. तो अब देखिए, if you remember mutual funds, पहले हम दोनों में थोड़ा सा difference जो है, let us understand that mutual funds and ETFs. So if you remember in mutual funds, what used to happen? There were investors. They used to together invest in a fund known as mutual fund. This mutual fund was basically managed by a team of professionals, okay, and this team of professionals was paid some amount of money which was an expense. अब क्या होता था? For example, you have invested, let's say together the value of the investment is 5 crores, okay, तो expense इतना ज़्यादा होता था कि 1 crore you must have given to the professional team or the company and the remaining will be invested. So 4 crores will be invested and 1 would be for the professional team as per the, because that is their liability to pay the salaries, the rent, the electricity bills, etc. and all. Okay. Now what happened was this mutual fund used to invest in different types of assets. There was portfolio diversification. Okay. Now, the objective of this company, the professional fund manager, was to get you the maximum return that they can using this investment. मतलब जितने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वो आपको पैसा कमवा सके वो उनका objective होता था. लेकिन बहुत सारे experts ने ये बात बोली that you know even if you do it, it is very impossible, it is very challenging and next to impossible that you will be able to beat the index. Index मतलब आपका जो शेयर्स वगैरह का पूरा इंडेक्स जाता है आप उसको बीट नहीं कर पाओगे, ठीक है, कितना भी हो जाए. तो अब फिर वी स्टार्टेड टू थिंक कि अच्छा, इफ वी कैन नॉट बीट द इंडेक्स एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ म्यूचुअल फंड्स विल ऑब्वियसली ऑलवेज स्टे बिलो और जस्ट समथिंग नियर टू द इंडेक्स, व्हाई नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन द इंडेक्स ओनली, है ना. क्योंकि अब देखो फिर से समझो कि अगर म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, वी वर इन्वेस्टिंग देम इन डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज. इफ तो बहुत सारे एक्सपर्ट्स ये बोलते थे कि इंस्टेड ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग इन म्यूचुअल फंड्स जो कि हमेशा इंडेक्स के वैल्यू से थोड़ा कम रहेंगे, ठीक है, या फिर उसके थोड़ा पास रहेंगे लेकिन इंडेक्स को बीट नहीं कर पाएंगे, सो व्हाई नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन द इंडेक्स ओनली. ओके, सो दे गॉट द सोल्यूशन टू मैक्सिमाइज द प्रॉफिट. देन केम ETF, एक्सचेंज ट्रेडेड फंड्स. ETF में क्या होता है? अगेन लाइक म्यूचुअल फंड यू हैव मेनी इन्वेस्टर्स, ठीक है, उनका ये फंड होता है ETF, एक्सचेंज ट्रेडेड फंड्स. ओके, इस फंड के लिए यू डोंट नीड अ होल टीम टू मैनेज इट. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस ट्रैक्स मतलब प्रॉपर फॉलो करता है अ पर्टिकुलर इंडेक्स, से निफ्टी 50. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट निफ्टी 50, लेट्स से वो इस इंडेक्स को फॉलो करेगा कंप्लीटली, या फिर वो कमोडिटीज को फॉलो करने लग जाएगा और बास्केट ऑफ एसेट्स को करेगा. ओके, इट कुड बी एनीथिंग बट इट विल फॉलो दैट. ओके, कैसे फॉलो करेगा? वी विल लर्न दैट, बट फॉर नाउ इट विल फॉलो इट. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू नो दैट निफ्टी हैज 50 लिस्टेड कंपनीज. तो व्हाट दिस फंड विल डू, दिस फंड विल इन्वेस्ट इन these 50 companies and as per their weightage in Nifty, as per the weightage. So if it is tracking it, what will happen? आप उतना ही अमाउंट जितना निफ्टी 50 में गिवन है उतना ही इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, उन्हीं सब में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो. तो as निफ्टी 50 rises, this fund will rise, the value will rise. If it drops, it will drop. So it will move as per Nifty 50. अब imagine if you are following something, obviously you don't need the research. Extreme research, in-depth research, you don't need that because you are following something. So similarly your expense of fund manager also reduces because now you don't need a large team of expertise. You need a few professionals who can help you with the management of the fund. So this is ETF. Now another difference between the two. Do you remember when we talk about mutual funds, the close-ended units can be traded and open-ended cannot be traded at all. Okay, similarly in ETF what happens is basically it can be exchanged. Okay, it can be traded on stock exchange. That is why it is known as exchange traded funds. They can be traded on stock exchange. That is why they are known as exchange traded funds. तो means जैसे ही stock का price पूरे दिन में ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है, similarly the ETF का price will change, the units of the price of the units will change throughout the day. Okay, so you can, if you want to buy some more units of ETF, you can go to the stock exchange, organized stock exchange, and you can buy units at that current market price. So throughout the day, the price will change. So can I say the value of this net asset value of ETF can change throughout the day? Yes. When we talk about mutual funds, because some of them are not traded, so here what we do is, as the market closes, when the market closes, we find out the NAV value as per that, and it means after end of the day. So then we find the NAV value, and then people, the investors, can buy new units as this NAV value. That means after the market closes. But here during the day, during the market is running, at that time you can buy new units of ETF, because they are exchanged on the stock exchange platform. They are traded on the stock exchange platform throughout the day like stocks, like shares. ठीक है, तो अगर मैं ETF के बारे में बोलूँ, थोड़ा सा म्यूचुअल फंड, थोड़ा सा स्टॉक्स, दोनों मिलके ETF बना दिया है. ठीक है, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. ओके, सो ETF से क्या होता है? ETF से ये होता है, म्यूचुअल फंड से ETF बेटर इसलिए है कि आपका एक्सपेंस, योर एक्सपेंस इज गेटिंग रिड्यूस्ड, इट इज गेटिंग डिक्रीज्ड. ओके, ऑफ पेइंग टू द प्रोफेशनल टीम ऑफ फंड मैनेजर्स. पॉइंट नंबर 1. पॉइंट नंबर 2, you can buy it anytime and it will be closer to the index, follow the index completely, so the value will be not just close, it will get you the maximum return that it can, as it is following the index completely. Okay, that is Nifty 50 or any other. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now ETFs will depend upon different types. Okay, for example, we have gold ETF. Okay, we have REITs and we have InvITs. Okay, you must have seen these terms in your books as well. When we talk about gold ETF, here what happens is, you have an investment, okay, known as gold ETF. Investors will invest money here. They will own some units. Now your manager, the fund manager, okay, will invest in physical gold. Matlab they will actually buy physical gold for you, hold them for you. You're not buying it, you're only keeping the units of it, but they have the physical gold and they actually track the price of the gold. So as the price of the gold rises, the value of the investment fund rises and you get more money, and it actually follows the price. Now you will say, मैम, और इसकी यूनिट्स जो होती हैं वो भी स्टॉक एक्सचेंज पे ट्रेड होती है, तो यू कैन बाय द यूनिट ऑफ गोल्ड ETFs ऑन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ यू विल से, मैम, व्हाई वुड एनीवन, यू नो, व्हाट इज द गारंटी दैट गोल्ड ETF value will be equal to the gold price? How will that happen? Now see what happens. If let's say the value of one unit of gold ETF is more than the gold price in the market, will you buy it? You will not buy it, right? If the value is less than the gold price, then you know that it will increase, because more demand will happen, more demand will start to happen. लो प्राइस, डिमांड बढ़ जाएगा, तो उसमें क्या हो जाएगा, उन यूनिट्स का प्राइस ऊपर आना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, बिकॉज डिमांड बढ़ता है तो किसी चीज का प्राइस ऊपर आना स्टार्ट हो जाता है, तो इट विल रीच द गोल्ड प्राइस ओनली. सो नेवरदलेस व्हाट विल हैपन, द प्राइस ऑफ द गोल्ड ETF, ऑफ द यूनिट्स ऑफ द गोल्ड ETF विल स्टे वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू द गोल्ड प्राइसेस. Okay, so this is one way. The other is REITs. Instead of gold, you are investing in real estate. Okay, what do you mean by real estate? By this I mean by office buildings, okay, etc. So here this is known as real estate investment trusts. Okay, तो इसमें अब क्या होता है, you have invested, you have a fund, you have invested, the investor will basically invest in office buildings and everything, and in return what will you get? The rent or the profit as dividend. ओके, तो आपको इसका डिविडेंड मिलता रहेगा इन यूनिट्स के अकॉर्डिंग. सिमिलरली व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ट्रस्ट, इसमें क्या होता है, इंस्टेड ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग इन ऑफिस बिल्डिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग, यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन हाईवेज, roads, and as per that you get the money out of it. I hope this is very clear. Okay, highways है, bridges हैं, etc. है, office buildings के बारे में बात करें तो there are apartments जहाँ पे आप कर सकते हो, तो उसका money जो मिलेगा it will be given to you as dividend. Here also you will get the money. So these are known as gold ETFs, REITs, then InvITs. Okay, so these are all types of ETFs, that is exchange traded funds. Okay, so I hope now you understood the difference between the two, what are they used for, why are they there, and everything. I hope this is very clear. Thank you so much.